where I step because I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. But the clouds are just pretty today. I hate to go so fast for you. But it's a real nice walk up here. Straight up, so of course going down is going to be straight down. But the clouds are these nice whispery, I call them whispery, real thin. Over there's another trail you can go up. And you go down, and down, and down. Sorry it's taking so fast. Until you get down here. There's, let me zoom in a little bit. There's a big valley down there. You can walk into that valley. As you can see, I'm over the top of the cactus. But that valley goes all the way that way. What's going to happen is, you go up here about another quarter mile, go down in that valley from another side. End up going right past that mountaintop, hilltop, whatever it is. Anyways, have a good day.